Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, Walid Muhammad Saleh Mubarak bin Attash, and Mustafa Ahmad Adam Al-Hawsawi are the three main accused of plotting 9/11 attack on US. They have been held at a prison in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba, for over 20 years without going to trial. Nearly 3,000 people in New York, Virginia and Pennsylvania were killed in the attacks, which sparked the War on Terror and the invasions of Afghanistan and Iraq. This was the deadliest assault on US since the 1941 Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, where 2,400 people were killed. The men have been accused of numerous charges such as attacking civilians, violating the laws of war through murder, hijacking and terrorism. Khalid Sheikh Mohammed is considered as the mastermind of the attack, in which hijackers seized passenger planes and crashed them into the World Trade Center in New York and the Pentagon outside of Washington, D.C. A fourth plane crashed into a field in Pennsylvania after passengers fought back. Mohammed was a US-educated engineer and was captured along with Hawsawi in Pakistan in March 2003. He has also been accused of training some of the hijackers. According to the Department of Defense, these three have entered into a pre-trial agreement, reached after 7 months of negotiations. The men will plead guilty in exchange for the prosecution agreeing not to seek the death penalty. The terms of the plea deal have not yet been released. In September, the Biden administration reportedly rejected the terms of a plea deal with 5 men held at the U.S. Navy base in Cuba, including Mohammed. According to the New York Times, the plea deal was first announced in a letter sent by prosecutors to the families of victims.